Bueno, esta vez quiero mostrarles un poquito de mi experiencia con los altavoces. Bueno, ahorita no está poniendo sonido de los altavoces directamente, es de la lab. Pero, a ver, ahorita lo conectamos, lo volvemos a poner. Este ya es el sonido que tienen estos. Voy a subirlo. Eh, eh, Aquí está el bajo por si les interesa. Es en el diseño, está un poquito polveado. Tiene buena respuesta a agudos por si les interesaba ese dato. Se revuelven un poquito con otras frecuencias, pero por el precio, en serio que vale mucho la pena. Y también quiero mostrarles que por aquí tiene control para el bajo. O sea que si escuchan los bajos con mucha potencia, pueden escucharlos con aún más, pero yo prefiero que el sonido esté equilibrado, así que lo dejo así. Esta canción es de mucho bajo. Esto tiene mucha introducción, así que lo paso para acá. Y por si les interesa, el volumen de la laptop está ahorita al 30 y la perilla está como a 30%, o sea que tiene muchísimo más volumen, pero por restricciones del lugar no puedo ponerla aquí, solamente, bueno, un poquito. Pero sí, con esto lo van a gustar mucho, sobre todo si no tienen más presupuesto. Esto es lo ideal. Y nos despedimos mostrándole el buffer, el subwoofer.
It's static. There's your on indicator. There's your power switch. The knob seems responsive. When you turn it, it does increase in increment. It doesn't have like a dead spot. I'm not so sure how well it will last over time, but we'll see. And then the subwoofer is smaller than you think. If you can get a picture of that's my hand right next to it. So it's not huge, and it's not very deep. But what it is it has a great tone to it. I actually like it. It's not too boomy, and it doesn't pop too bad. It's not going to be for hip hop. It's not going to be for that Hollywood sound effect, but it does sound good. And these satellites are actually nice. I like them. They're much better than satellites I've seen in other Altec Lansing products. And then you've got the other one over here. So it does have two drivers. So you have a tweeter and you have a mid, and the box itself is not too bad. I mean, that's not too big. You can hold it with one hand if you want. The wiring's skimpy, of course, but these things always have skimpy wiring. The controls on the back I did a picture of, so feel free to look at them. I do like them. Unfortunately, mine did get damaged. They packaged it poorly, so it's unfortunate. It wasn't Logitech's fault, but it is what it is. So I do like them. I do recommend them. And they're not like the old school Altec Lansings that you used to get a couple of years ago, or maybe 5 or 10 years ago. Like they had the really big subwoofer unit. So they're not that way, but they work, and I use them quite a bit. I wish I could have done a music video, but that's copyright infringement, I guess. So, all right, good luck.
Okay, here's a review on the Z906 Logitech speakers I just got today, 10 waters, with the Bluetooth. Just got them, just put them in. And I mean, it did not take long to put in at all. They're pretty quick to put in. There's my hand. Get a good idea what that's the size of them. I just got average size hands. I had a five speaker set of Logitechs one time. They did a real good job for a long time, but I just wanted to simplify it and get two. And the other ones had went out. I haven't hooked the Bluetooth up to my phone yet. I'm anxious to do that because I could play what's on my phone while I'm here too without unhooking it from the system. And I've got the speaker set at, let's see, I'm going to put it up at about 60% right there, just to give you a little taste of it. One guy did a video sample there, and he did it in some kind of a room. It sounded like he was in a beer can or something. So this is just in a regular room, and I'll give you a little taste of what it sounds like here, and I'll turn the volume up as I go a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn it up. That's 74% right there. Okay. Now, like I said, if you're into music, you're going to probably want to find some other type of speakers. But if you just want some PC speakers, these are fantastic speakers. I'm very pleased with it. For the price, no complaints, and take that from a professional critic. Hope this helped.
Your skin, all around my arms around you, baby, never let you go. how much more effective this tool makes you.